So in this example, we will see how to create a table which contains some other table. That means a table of table or a nested table. The table's TD tag can hold other HTML5 elements. When we place a table inside the existing table's cell, we call it as a nested table. In the previous video, we created 4 tables to examine the row span and col span attribute of the TD tag. When we rendered that example in IE browser, the tables are displayed in a new line. That means the example flowed from top to bottom. If we want to display all the table examples in a single row, then we have to use nested table, because the example itself is a table and we want to display that horizontally. So we will create 4 cells that flows horizontal. Then inside each cell we will place the table. So the whole concept is called a nested table. So let us see the example, and after that we will render that in IE browser. So here is the example. Here first we are creating a table with 2 rows. So in the first row we are providing a heading. So the first column heading is a normal table. Then we are explaining a col span example. After that row span example. Then combined example. That means row span and col span combined. So if you see here, this is a table header, and inside table header we used a heading h4. Alright, this defines our table heading. I mean the table heading for the outer table, and the table border is 1. Now let us look at the second table. So here the heading is given for all 4. So then we define 4 cell. So this is our second table row, and second table row contains 4 cell, and you can see heading for these cells. The first TD's heading is normal table, second cell's heading is col span example, third heading is row span example. Likewise for the fourth cell we gave a heading. So inside this table, if you see, we placed our normal table here. So this is what called nesting. So first this is a table, this is a second row, and first cell in the second row that contains a table. So once we prepare a table, we just kept that as a element, as a data for the outer table cell, first cell. So likewise we placed all other table. So this one is for the col span example. Right, so this is the other nesting. So likewise we can place all the table. So this one is for the row span example. Here I am just expanding the second row, or you can see all the row here. So each table tag contains a table which we created previously. So this is how you can nest a table. So the net effect is the example will be presented in a horizontal fashion. So if I execute this now in IE, you can see that all examples are placed horizontally. So this is the outer table. Here we defined the heading, and inside each cell we are creating a table. So this table is placed inside this cell. So likewise we placed all our force table. So this is what called nesting a table. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you like the channel, please subscribe it. Thanks again. Bye.